If you're interested in learning about ethical hacking or penetration testing, legally testing the security of computer systems with permission, here are some steps you can take to get started. Number 1. Learn the basics of computer networking, programming, and operating systems. Hacking involves understanding how computer systems work, so it's essential to have a solid foundation in these areas. There are many online resources and courses available to learn about these topics. Number 2. Familiarize yourself with the tools and techniques used by hackers. You can start by learning about commonly used tools such as Nmap, Metasploit, and Wireshark. There are many tutorials and online communities that can help you get started. Number 3. Join a community of ethical hackers. You can find online forums and groups where people discuss hacking and share information. These communities can provide valuable insights and support as you learn. Number 4. Practice on your own systems or virtual machines. You should never try to hack into someone else's system without permission, as this is illegal. However, you can set up your own systems or virtual machines to practice your skills and test your own security. Number 5. Consider getting certified. There are several certifications available for ethical hackers, such as the Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, and the Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP. These certifications can help you demonstrate your skills to potential employers. Remember that hacking can be a complex and challenging field, and it requires a lot of hard work and dedication to become proficient. It's also important to always act ethically and responsibly, and to never engage in illegal or malicious activities.